Do you want to walk into your next casting feeling confident, prepared, and ready to book that job? Well, today I am breaking down exactly how to prepare for a model casting, step by step. If you love modeling tips, industry insights, and a little behind the scenes tea, hit subscribe, you're in the right place. Now, let's get into it. Step 1 is knowing the casting details, and I'm not talking about just glancing at the email or the text. Read it carefully. Look out for the time, the exact location, the dress code, and what you need to bring. Are they asking for your portfolio, for comp cards, or a specific outfit? If the casting says no makeup, then that is not a suggestion, it is a requirement. You need to show up with a fresh face. If they ask for a slick back bun or sleek hair, do not show up with curls. Those little details do matter and they show that you can follow directions. Pro tip, screenshot the casting details and save them to a special folder in your photos so that you can double check everything before you walk out of the door, or you can always save this as your lock screen. Step 2 is all about outfit and grooming. The golden rule is to keep it simple and to let you shine. A black tank top or a bodysuit paired with some fitted jeans is a classic casting outfit. And don't forget, you need to have a pair of neutral heels. Your hair should be clean and simply styled. For makeup, stick to a no makeup look unless they state otherwise. Always keep your jewelry minimal, so nothing loud, nothing too big or too chunky. Pro tip, lay your outfit out and steam it or press it the night before so that you're not scrambling in the morning. Step 3, bring your materials. Always have your portfolio ready with updated digitals and professional test shots. If you have comp cards, bring multiple copies because you never know how many people will need one. Digital copies are always a lifesaver. Save your digitals and comp card as PDFs on your phone just in case someone asks for a quick email. Pro tip, presentation matters. Keep your portfolio clean, organized, and professional looking. Step 4, prepare your mind and body. That means getting a good night's sleep. And it seems very basic, but showing up well rested will make a huge difference. Next, eat something light but filling before you go because you do not want your stomach growling and grumbling in a quiet room full of casting directors. And finally, practice. Run through those poses. You need to rehearse a confident introduction. And if it's a runway casting, practice that walk. Your mirror is going to be your best friend. Pro tip, confidence starts with preparation. If you have done the work, you will definitely feel it, and the casting directors will see it. Step 5, professionalism is everything. Arrive at least 15 minutes early. It gives you time to settle in, to get yourself checked in, to look at yourself in the mirror and breathe. Once you're in the room, be polite to everyone from the receptionist to the casting directors to the other models. When they give you instructions, listen carefully and follow them exactly. If you're unsure about something, don't be afraid to ask for clarification because it shows confidence. Pro tip, no matter how nervous you feel, smile, make eye contact, and thank them before you leave. First impressions do matter, but so do last ones. Step 6, after the casting, let it go. Whether it went perfectly or you stumbled over your introduction, once you've walked out of that door, it is out of your hands, so let it go. Don't obsessively refresh your email or stress about not hearing back. Rejection is a part of this industry, and it's not always about you or something you did wrong. It could be a million other factors as to why you didn't get the job or why you didn't hear back. Pro tip, if you don't book the job, don't let it shake your confidence. The right opportunity is already on its way to you. And my final tip, if there is one thing I want you to remember, it's this: preparation is your secret weapon. The more you prepare, the more relaxed and confident you'll feel, and that is what shines through in a casting room. Always remember that you got this, and even if you don't got this, it's a learning lesson and you'll have it next time. And that is your step-by-step guide to prepare for a modeling casting. I hope that you're walking away feeling more confident and ready to crush it. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more modeling content, and drop a comment sharing your biggest takeaways from today's video. And don't forget to turn on those notifications because I have more exciting videos lined up for you coming this week. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.